What's going on, guys? Bobby at the Pedal Tech. In today's video we are going to be installing some suspension linkage. Got a linkage triangle and shock link there on this Sur-Ron, so stick with us. Alright, so you're going to need a 13mm for that nut there and a 6mm Allen wrench for the backside for all these bolts here. So let's get going. We're going to start removing these things. So we're probably going to disconnect this guy and this guy here and just start pulling stuff apart. We basically got to do undo these three, and then this one here and this one on the other side, and that should break everything free. So let's get to going and doing that. All right, there we go. So we got everything pulled off of there. I was gonna try and leave the shock on, but it seemed easier if I just took it off. So that's that. We're gonna start putting everything back on here. Basically the new kit should come with some shafts to go through these needle bearings and some, you know, plastic bushing type washers to protect the sides there. So we're gonna get those thrown in here, and then we're gonna start slapping everything back together. So let's start doing that. All right, so there we go. We got this link mounted up to the shop. Make sure you do put it on the right way, you know, be something like that. So don't put it on backwards. We're gonna slide this up, and then we're gonna get our shock triangle in there and get that bolted up as well. So let's get going. Shock triangle, I don't think you can put on upside down so much. I mean, the letters will be upside down. I don't know if geometry wise it would make a difference, but just make sure you put it on the right way just in case. So let's get going. You will have a couple of little plastic bushings that have to go in between this shock triangle and these tabs here, you know, before you slide these bolts and shafts back through there. So keep that in mind. You don't want to miss these. You know, when you're taking it off, they probably fell off. Don't forget those. It will grind up this link and screw it up. So just keep that in mind. So we got everything bolted up, hand tight. Everything was super simple. There was just those little washers that you want to watch out for. Obviously that link comes with, you know, its bushing and washers that you need. So just make sure not to pinch these washers. They're supposed to fit over the top of the shaft. You know, if they get caught hanging down on the bolt, you will pinch them with that through shaft. So just keep that in mind. We're gonna get this all buttoned up and tight. Stick with us one sec while we tighten everything up, and then we'll check it out. Go, everything's tightened up, all finished. Super simple if you guys want to tackle that one on your own. So appreciate you guys watching. It's a nice little bling. Some of these suspension links are riser kits, so they could have a little geo performance added. Some of them are stock and just, you know, there for aesthetic reasons, you know, get some billet parts and some anodized stuff going on. But appreciate you guys watching. Hit the likes on the way out, subscribe if you haven't, and we will catch you next time. Peace.